This is a reusable 6800 full face respirator. It says it includes 2 filter boxes, 2 lens covers, 2 earplugs, and the respirator mask itself. It says these cartridges protect against particulates, organic vapors and gases, ammonia, and formaldehyde. And it basically says that it will last for 40 hours of use or 30 days, whichever is first. But if you smell anything through it, it's no longer working and you should replace it immediately. Alright, I was sent this to review for free. MSRP is $40 for the package. I've seen it offered with a coupon for $30. So in the box they have the full-faced respirator, and it looks like they already have one of the plastic protective sheets on top of it. There's a pull tab here you can peel off, so if you're spray painting with this or something and get spray paint on it, you can peel that off. It has these 2 little covers. It has these N95 filter masks that will basically do just particulate only. There's the air purifying respirator filter element, which is non-powered, it says. And this is a organic vapor cartridge, 2 replaceable cartridges. And then it has this, a 60921 organic vapor cartridge P100 particulate filter. Also, 2 earplugs. All right, these are full sealing earplugs, so they're, there's not like a pressure release valve inside or anything. They're fully seal your ear canals. All right, let's try this on for fit. Alright, I'm able to get that quite tight around my face, even wearing glasses. There is a little bit of air movement around my glasses frames, so I may need to remove the glasses to get a full seal on this guy. Yeah, I do need to remove the glasses. All right, the strap mechanism is pretty easy. You pull, it will latch. When you want to release, you just pull this guy out and it flips off pretty easily. You will not be able to get a full seal with glasses over your ears here, so you're going to have to go with a half mask if you want to wear glasses like that. Alright, without the glasses it does a very solid seal. I can actually loosen this up a little bit, I think. Yeah, we got a good seal without the glasses on. Alright, that seals very well. The pre-applied face shield, the little plastic film coating over the top of this thing, is just slightly wrinkly, is one way to put it. So your eyesight out looks just a little bit blurry. And that's not just because I'm not wearing my glasses. I mean, it's kind of like you can see it on the face shield. So if you are not spray painting with it, I would probably take those off. Obviously, if you are spray painting with it, you want to leave them on until it gets too bad, and then you take one off. I believe there are 2 on here. There's definitely 1 attached. There might be 1 underneath it. It's hard for me to tell that. Alright, so these filter ports look to be very industry standard. So yeah, these filters snap on there very tightly. So if you did not want to use the filter packages that came with it, you could source filter cartridges that will fit this guy just fine. So the box includes two different cartridge setups. So this one here is organic vapor cartridge and P100 particulate filter, so it has a particulate filter on top of the organic vapor cartridge. This here is just the organic vapor cartridge, and you need to put one of these guys on top of it, held on with one of these guys to get the N95 on top of the organic vapor. Now, this says NIOSH on the top, but I don't know if they actually meet any particular certifications. So I think the key thing here is if you smell any vapors, it's time to replace your cartridges. So with the mask, I got a good seal. You cover up the filter cartridges and you breathe in and it sucks to your face and nothing gets in. It has the breathe out hole there. It goes out very easily. It's covered by this little plastic thing. The plastic thing's just a little bit wiggly. It just snaps on there, but the actual valve is inside there. It's not, the plastic thing here. So this guy seemed to do a very good job making the seal there, and so I suspect that basically as long as your cartridges are good, this guy will provide adequate protection for you. So it's a pretty reasonable package at this price point, assuming you trust these cartridges. Now these guys here, I have no reason to think they would not provide N95 level of filtration. They look like they would definitely give you that level of filtration. There's no way to use one of these without one of these cartridges behind it, however. There's not like a back part that snaps on here. So this is designed to be used with the organic vapor cartridges in addition to these guys. But you could buy a third-party cartridge that's just the P100 and snap those on if you needed to. Although typically you wouldn't need the full face mask if you were just worried about particulates. So the airflow from the cartridges goes into the face mask portion here first, and then it goes through these guys into your nose and mouth area. But when you breathe out, these latch shut and the exhale goes out through here. So I think that's going to do a pretty good job keeping moisture and condensation from building up on the inside, because you always have fresh air coming in and then all of your breathing is going out. The package does include this little bag for storage, which will kind of keep things from scraping up the cover here. Now they say there's two of these sheets installed, or they say there's two of these sheets included. There's no sheets in the box, so I have to assume that they're both pre-installed here. There's a tab on this side and a tab on that side. I don't know which one is the top sheet, but presumably there's two sheets here. You pull one off. When the other one gets messy, you pull it off. And at that point, if you get any paint on the face shield, you just won't be able to see through it.